Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a signature into Google Docs. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed to sign a document, but dreaded the thought of printing it out, manually signing it, and then having to scan it back into digital form, you're definitely not alone. Thankfully, Google Docs offers a simple and effective solution to this problem by allowing you to insert your electronic signature directly into your document. This not only saves time, but also makes the process entirely paperless. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide to streamline your signing process. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. To do this, just head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and open the specific document where you want to insert your signature. It's important to make sure your mouse cursor is exactly where you want the signature to appear. This small step will save you from having to make unnecessary adjustments later on. With your cursor positioned correctly, we can move on to the next step, which is inserting a drawing. At the top of your Google Docs window, you'll notice a menu bar. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open up a fresh drawing window where you can create your signature. Now here's where you get to unleash your creativity, even if it's just a little bit. In this drawing window, locate the line icon, which resembles a diagonal line. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From the options available, choose Scribble. This feature is perfect for drawing freehand, so you can add those personal touches that make your signature unique. Whether you're using a mouse or a stylus, take your time to draw your signature in the drawing area. Don't rush, make sure it looks just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, it's time to save it. Simply click the blue Save and Close button, located in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your newly created signature will then be inserted into your Google Docs document right at the spot where you originally placed your cursor. After inserting, you might notice that the signature needs a bit of tweaking. No worries, Google Docs makes it easy to adjust the placement. Click directly on the signature and you'll see small squares appear around it. These are handles that allow you to resize the signature if needed. If the position isn't quite right, just click and drag the signature to move it to the perfect spot on your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an electronic signature to your Google Docs document. This method not only saves you time, but also keeps everything digital, eliminating the need for printing or scanning. Thanks for tuning in to PMN Online, and happy signing. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to insert a signature into Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to insert a signature into Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.